Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to show you how you can get access to data that I'm going to be talking about today whenever you want it. So if you come to my website, jefflanghomes.com, and you come over to the section on resources, you go into market reports, you can get information about all these micro markets. You can get info about the national market, Bay Area in general, but specifically San Mateo County. You can just come right here. We'll have a full flip book to access at any time. I update this every single month. So you just click through and see summary and see a lot of what I'm be talking about today. Hey, it's Jeff Lang here in the San Francisco Bay Area. And have you ever wondered why the San Mateo County region in particular has done so well historically and wondered where it's heading? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's just jump right in. So if we look at this first chart and look at long-term appreciation, it's incredible here in San Mateo County for single family homes. You can see that over the last, call it 26, 27 years, the appreciation of homes has outpaced inflation. It's about 4 times what inflation has been, which is fantastic. And part of that can be explained more recently by the interest rate situation. So where are interest rates right now? We're just slightly over 6%. Just a couple years ago, we were all the way up at 7.8%. So this range is where we're hoping to stay in the near future. And that's going to create additional buyer demand. And then specifically in the Bay Area, especially between San Francisco and Silicon Valley, that's where all the jobs are. And that's because that's where all the VC money is going. Take a look at this chart and realize the implications of how much money is coming into the Bay Area, especially around AI, but for all areas, and just where we're outpacing everybody else dramatically all around the world. So more people coming in, more high-paying jobs, so more purchasing power as well. So what does this mean in terms of what's going on in the market? When we look at activity and supply and demand, the thing that drives this is months supply of inventory. We think of a balanced market as having between 4 and 6 months of inventory. And here in the Bay Area, specifically in San Mateo County, we've been primarily between 1 and 2% for years. I mean, really over a decade now. And so when it's below that 4 to 6 month window, we consider that a seller's market. Above that is a buyer's market. There's more inventory, more choice for buyers. Now, although it's a seller's market, things are clearly shifting. And right now, at the start of the year, buyers come out in droves. We've talked about this before. At the beginning of the year, there's New Year's resolutions, there's excitement, there's a lot of time spent on Zillow during the holidays. And so buyers are ready to jump in. And so in January, as you can see from this next slide, the home sale price was 5.3% over the previous year. So there's a lot of interest. There's buyers coming out who are super motivated, want to get in the game right now, but the inventory hasn't quite hit yet. Most parts of the country wait until the spring, call it March, April, to start putting inventory, to start getting homes on the market. Here in the Bay Area, for whatever reason, we've used this guide of wait until after the Super Bowl. And so the Super Bowl recently happened, and now we're going to start to see a lot more inventory. So if you're looking to buy or sell, this is the time to get in the game. As always, I'm your real estate resource. Reach out for anything I can help with, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.